In 2023, this is how my hair looked. We've come a long way, as you can see. Now I'm focused on frizz-free, moisture-rich, and non-heat damaged hair. This holiday season, I'm teaming up with Rev Air using their Extreme Hydration Moisture-Rich regimen and their revolutionary Reverse Air hair dryer. And this is not your typical hair dryer. It doesn't blow hot air all over your body, which is a game changer, especially with kids. The dryer itself has 7 different tension settings that you can change depending on how curly or coily your hair is. Once you find that sweet spot of tension, it pulls the water out your hair while maintaining hydration, retaining length, keeping your hair frizz-free, and preventing heat damage. I can't wait to show you how this product works. And their holiday sale is going on right now. Drop a comment, I'll send the link.